Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Man Mick here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. On the Zontes 350e scooter, the handlebars are quite unique. It reminds me of clip-ons on older bikes, but obviously different in respect of it has all the gizmos on the end of the bars as well. But this just shows you how they come apart and the process of design, etc. of the handlebars. So I hope you like the video. Please like, subscribe and join our journey. This is Man Mick. Oh, that's brilliant. It comes off. Signing off. Bye for now.